When you walk, crouch, or even climb stairs, do you have pain in your knees? If that is the case, then you really must have a look at this. I am going to demonstrate 2 easy motions that have the potential to literally save your knees from damage. The majority of individuals believe that knee discomfort is just a consequence of the aging process. No. In actuality, your knees are being pulled out of position by weak supporting muscles that are working in silence. The good news is that you don't need to spend hours at the gym or use expensive equipment. There are only 2 short workouts that you may undertake in any location. Number 1. The terminal knee extension. A resistance band is all you require, despite the fact that it seems sophisticated. Make sure it is anchored, loop it over the back of your knee, and then stretch your leg out straight while resisting the band. Boom! You are exercising the muscles that are responsible for maintaining your kneecap stability. Before you roll your eyes and say, "I'll just rest," allow me to share this reality with you. Rest makes weak knees even weaker. Their strength renders them invulnerable to bullets. Number 2. The step down. Place your feet on a step. Tap one of your feet gently against the ground, and then return to an upright position. Your quadriceps and glutes, which are the actual shock absorbers for your knees, are activated by this. Your path to pain-free knees. If you perform these 2 exercises regularly, you will not only have less discomfort, but you will also be able to protect your knees against damage for the rest of your life. The actual issue that has to be answered is, would you rather experience difficulties at 40 years of age or be able to walk without discomfort when you are 70? Please leave your answer in the comments below and share this with a friend who is often moaning about their knees. If you are serious about it, you should take advantage of the free fitness plan that I have included below. It is nothing but a template. It contains no extraneous material. And if this got you all excited, then please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.